Hello friends, isn't it a great day? It's summertime, 80 degrees here in southeast Michigan. Just a beautiful day. And what could be better on a beautiful day than doing car repairs? Well, I could think of lots of things to be better, but you know, this is the thing that we do a lot of the time, sadly. This is a really cool car repair I'm going to show you though. This is something that's going to make your life a lot more convenient and better if you have this problem. My car, sometimes you get out, the seatbelt hangs down and doesn't pull back as tight as you want it to. And when that happens, sometimes the seatbelt gets like that, and you close the door on the strap. In this particular case, I closed the door on the strap and broke off the little retainer button. It's supposed to be somewhere right in here. The retainer button keeps the seatbelt lat or hook up in the air so it's easy to grab. Sadly now, my seatbelt hook slides all the way down to the bottom, and you have to squeeze your hand down in there and fish it out and bring it back up to the top. And sometimes that's really hard to get to. It takes just practice and one or two fingers squeezing it in an awkward manner. Today, I'm going to show you, they actually sell replacement seatbelt buttons. Can you believe it? And this was a, I think this was a 6-pack, and it was about $5 off Amazon. And they come in tan, black, and gray. I had no idea they actually sold these. I wasn't really sure what they were called, so I just typed in seatbelt button, and look what showed up. Now I'm going to show you how to put one of these in. And it's going to be, if you got this problem, you're going to be so happy that you found this product. Instructions are insanely simple. Male and female, clip them together, project done. But it's not quite that simple, because once the original button breaks, the hole, the fabric around the hole stretches itself back together, and you can't see the hole anymore. So you have to make a new hole. I've got this awl here that came with a Craftsman screwdriver set that's rarely been used, but it's the perfect tool for this job. We're going to get in the center of the belt, very carefully wiggle it through the belt material, the webbing of the belt, without damaging any of the fibers or threads, because that could weaken the seatbelt potentially. And then, once we get the hole nice and wide, we'll slip the male part of the connector through and clip it together with the female section to complete the project. Push through very slow, wiggling it around a lot, trying to find a natural opening in the fabric. And I push that through. Now I'm going to pull it off. I'm going to push the male part of the clip through the hole. Here's the clip, the male side of it. It's been pushed through from the front. I had to take my thumbnail and push down around it to get the little tab to come through far enough. And just like that, we're done. Let's have a look. Not a real close match on the color of the tan fabric, but it's a pretty good match for the upholstery. We can see the back is through and thoroughly pushed into place, and on the front side, same thing. It's nice and tight and flush with the fabric of the seatbelt. I tried turning it and moving it, doesn't move at all, and that should be a good deal. Look at that. And I got 6 of them for about $5. I'll be keeping these in the car in case another one gets broke. I'll have more of them ready to go. And this is a great little repair you can do yourself and make yourself feel better about your car and more convenient to get in and out with your seatbelt. And it's a good deal. Click on the Amazon link, pick what color you want, and they'll be here in, well, gee, I got these next day. I ordered them before 3 o'clock and I got them next day. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.